Hey guys, so today we are going to work in Scratch Labs so that way you can figure out how to make your name that clicks when you, well, pops when you click it, okay? So here's what my final product looks like when I click. Pretty cool, right? So I'm going to show you the first steps of what it is that we need to do. So here you can watch this video. This is a really good thing to get you started. You can also click through it to get some help. So the first thing that I want for you to do is choose a backdrop. So down here in the bottom left corner, you can paint a backdrop. I like to get a surprise backdrop. Or you can search for something. So maybe you want a castle. Ooh, I like, ooh, the desert. These are all really cool. I'm gonna go with the castle. Yeah, that's pretty awesome, okay? Next thing we wanna do is we wanna choose a sprite, right? So right here, these little things that we can code, that we can add code to, these are called sprites, almost like that drink. So here we can choose a sprite. I'm going to click the magnifying glass, find a letter because I'm going to try and spell my name. So I've got my first one there, H. Now that I have done that, I'm going to come over here. I want to make it so that way I can get a sound when I click that letter H. So first thing is you look at this color here. To me, this looks orange, but I don't see it there, so I'm going to try yellow. Yeah, that looks exactly the same, and here is my same little yellow. When this sprite is clicked, and then I go to purple because I want a sound. I want to play the sound, really? It's going to play a meow? Okay, that's ridiculous, but sure, why not? And you can see here that when I click the letter H, that's what's going to happen because that is the sprite that's selected up here in this corner. So when I click here, I got a little meow. How cool is that, right? So after this step, what we want to do is we're going to keep adding more letters here and keep coding more sounds to go with them by selecting your event. And then when this sprite is clicked, we want it to start a sound, a meow. Maybe this time though, maybe I want a different sound. I can come over here and click sound. And I should be able to search for something here. Actually, I don't know. Ah, here, I can choose my sound down there at the bottom corner. And this time I want to play the piano. Cool. So now I go back to my code. And I can change this from meow to a piano. So now, pretty cool, huh? So keep going by adding more sprites for the rest of the letters for your name. And then, actually, I want to delete this guy right here. So then I don't want him, so I'm going to click him down here, and then I'm going to delete him. But let's say I don't like that cat. I actually, now that I found the different sounds, I want to change it. So you can see here that I can select whichever one I want to code. And then here, I can go to my sounds and then maybe look for something different. Let's go with, ooh, a saxophone. Cool. So now I go back to my code and instead play the sax. Cool. Nice. Now I've got a band going, okay? So spell out your whole name and then get all of them to attach some sounds to it, okay?